So JFF President Mr. Michael Ricketts is at it again. After announcing the September 15th date for the JFF elections, the president was barefaced enough to admit again that he is the trips for votes president. And his style of looking after his own is akin to the government fixing the roads. Listen to this.
I want to know why government fix road and provide utilities for people to ensure that they service their constituents and give good support and ensure that there's good governance. I have 19 board members and each of them would have supported me to the maximum. I have no issues with any of my board members. I think it is fair that they be rewarded.
You hear that? It's the second time that Mr. Ricketts is publicly displaying his arrogant shamelessness, admitting that he's looking after his boys to get them vote. As for the football boss, now equating giving his friends trips for votes to the government's fixing up the roads. I don't know. And then we wonder why the footballer go back way and why no sponsors not coming on board and why the people in general are losing all hope with this administration. And you know what the saddest thing is? Come September 15th, it will be payback time for all those trips and Mr. Ricketts will be elected president for another 2 years. Well, I know we don't have no more.